Poriferans are the group of organisms belongs to the phylum invertebrates in kingdom Animalia. They are commonly called sponges. Sponges are considered the oldest animal group. They are multicellular but don't have tissues or organs. The body is covered with numerous pores. Water along with food enters through these pores. Sponges can live 100 to 1000 years. Sea sponges are very popular in the health and beauty field. Most popular uses include car care, household cleaning, and personal care.